अच्छा, व्हेन यू फर्स्ट थॉट
जी
कि क्योंकि एक्टर्स फैमिली एंड
हाँ
एक्टर्स भी सब दिग्गज,
हाँ
छोटे मोटे नहीं कि मतलब सब कि मतलब जिनको लोग देख के शायद सोचते हैं कि हाँ हम एक्टर बनेंगे,
हाँ
व्हेन यू फर्स्ट थॉट कि एक्टिंग ही करनी है, कुछ और करना है?
मुझे एक्टर कभी नहीं बनना था
व्हाई?
because it was expected of me, and also at that time na Amit bhai, really we're living in a very different time nowadays I was just joking that पहले तो लोग बोलते थे बेटा एक्टर मत बनो इंजीनियर बनो, आजकल के पेरेंट्स शायद बच्चे को बोलते हो कि इंजीनियर मत बनो एक्टर बनो,
इन्फ्लुएंसर,
जो भी है
कंटेंट क्रिएटर
जो गाना गाओ
हाँ
या कुछ
हाँ
भी करो,
हाँ, राइट
म्यूजिशियन बनो,
राइट
follow your dream बेटा, कुछ भी जो भी whatever you feel like doing, don't because academics also seems to be taking a back seat ना आज की
राइट,
तारीख में. I
यस.
don't know, I'm maybe speaking from a place
No,
of
you're
ignorance.
very much right. It is
I mean,
happening.
I am very against the fact that they have incorporated the computer and the mobile phone in education. I'm vehemently against it. Education should be tactile. The kids should not see the screen.
Yes.
छोटे उम्र पे लोगों को बच्चों को चश्मे लग रहे हैं.
बहुत छोटे.
I feel very bad about this. Why? Because you really need to deal with books and with real organic objects, not with the digitalization of education is something I am vehemently against, and I have very strong feelings about this, and it really breaks my heart that kids are having to spend time on their laptop and their iPad and falana dhimkana, all these things. They should engage with real life objects. They should deal with tables, chairs, things. They should
जैसा हम
लोगों ने किया exactly. And I'm not being nostalgic. I'm talking about what is healthy for a human being's development. So हमारे टाइम में ना it was a very academic environment. It was a very academic culture. And to want to follow a career or a profession in the creative fields was considered to be something very off the beaten track. It was also considered कि you'll also be a non-conformist. आप समाज से जुदा हो जाओगे. अगर आप बोलोगे, अगर मैं बॉडी स्कूल में बोलता अपने दोस्त लोग से कि मेरे को बड़े होकर एक्टर बनना है, I would be very like मैं जुदा हो जाता सबसे. I would be a very different person. They look at me as if I'm not one of them. And at that age, you want to conform.
Right.
You just want to be like everyone else. You just want to be like everyone else. You want to conform. You want to be a part of the herd almost. And so I was very nervous of ever expressing the desire to go into any creative fields. I remember vividly once, when you have to select your subjects, you narrow it down for 11th stream for 11th and 12th, 10th के बाद ना. So I remember selecting, you have humanities, commerce, accounts, and sciences. So I'll never forget. Yeah, it's very indicative, and the reason I'm saying this story is to give you the audience also a sense of the time period. I'm talking about 2005-06. And this one senior came and told me, यार इसमें इतनी बड़ी बात क्या है यार इस फैसले में? ये decision बहुत simple है. If your parents are doctors, you take science. If your parents are business, you take commerce accounts. Humanities में 4 जन थे. अपने में से एक में 5 जन थे humanities में 100 लोगों में से. So to be an actor or to follow any path in the creative fields was something that was considered completely off the beaten track and not something which is practical and doable. Now, what happened was, and also on another personal level, what used to happen to me was, जब मैं ICSE या ISC के लिए पढ़ाई कर रहा होता तो कई लोग मेरे को आके मजाक उड़ाते थे कि अरे यार तू तो पढ़ाई क्यों कर रहा है, तू तो बड़े होकर एक्टर ही बनेगा. मैं बहुत बुरा लगता था. मैं बोलता नहीं, मैं बड़े होकर इंजीनियर बनूंगा, एक्टर नहीं बनूंगा. Now, at the age of 19, I was a very lost soul at that time. College में, second year of college, I did not know what I wanted to do. मैं भटक रहा था. I was also not focused. I was very distracted. I was not even involved in the college activities. Like, attendance ka jaise, all this kind of stuff. So I was a bit of a slacker, you could say, at that age. Because I was also figuring out I had just come out of boarding school for 6 years. So I was kind of decompressing from that entire experience also. And I vividly remember at the age of 19, there was this play which we were doing in Prithvi. And after the play, Vishalji met me and he said that I want you to audition for a role which goes from 17 to 45. And I was such a fan of Vishalji's. मकबूल का बहुत गहरा प्रभाव पड़ा था मेरे
लोगों पे पड़ा है.
सब
I have heard it from many people.
And Maqbool really hit them very hard. Omkara, I vividly remember watching in Gaiety Galaxy on its when it opened, and you couldn't hear the dialogues. लोग इतनी जोर से चीख चिल्ला रहे थे. हाँ, तो then after that 2009 में I had also recently watched Kamine, and watching Kamine in the audience in the theaters was a special experience. So imagine यार ये सब के बाद अगर विशाल जी ये बोल रहे हैं तो चाहे जितना भी मैंने तगड़ा जिद पकड़ के बैठा हूँ कि मैं एक्टर नहीं बनूंगा, when Vishal ji said that I want you to audition for this, I was like, yeah, I would give an arm and a leg to work with Vishal ji. So I nailed the audition. I just think chai, cheers.
हम ये वाला cheers करते हैं.
Cheers. So this thing, I auditioned for it. and I nailed the audition and I got the role. And you know, half of my mind almost was ki, I'll do this film, but then I'll go back and continue my academics. I'll finish that off, which I did do. But there was half of mine saying that no, I don't want to go back. I don't want to become an actor. I'm just doing this film. I'm just doing this film for Vishalji. That's it. But I don't want to be an actor. You know, believe it or not, I vividly remember this one time I was sitting on set of Satkoon Maaf in Coorg, and all the construction work is happening. People are, the chisels and the hammers and the saws are out. They're building a church. Hundreds of people are all at work, and I'm just sitting around in my costume and just waiting. I'm just looking at this, and literally, Amit bhai, it was like an epiphany. जिसे कहते हैं ना, where I just told myself, look at the amount of work people are putting into this film. Look at how important cinema is as a medium to our society. इस समाज के लिए इतना बड़ा कला का रूप है, art form है. It's such an important art form for our society. That I said to myself, look, be grateful for where you are. Just keep quiet and be an actor. And since then, I've been an actor. Literally, it's like that. I said you should be grateful for what, you know, you've got this opportunity that life has thrown your way. You must make the most of it. And you must also realize that this is you're blessed to be in this position, in this profession. This field, which is so important. Cinema is like cricket na, for our country. It's a religion almost. It's a very important part of our society. And the fact that Upar Wale ke dua se I was able to be a part of this, I just told myself to make the most of it. And since then, I've been a full-time actor.